Alright, ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls, we're gonna get right to it today. Grab your wallet, your purse, whatever you need, run to the grocery store and grab these main ingredients. Back to Big Bro.
Alright, so we're gonna make our jerk pineapple chicken. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use a pound of chicken, okay? Skin off, clean and drain. I make my own jerk. If you don't know how to make the jerk sauce, you don't have the time, you can get a regular jerk seasoning from most basic stores. You're gonna use about an ounce for every pound of chicken. You take an ounce of the jerk, you're gonna take about an ounce of pineapple juice, okay? You blend them in together. You can add whatever other seasonings and things you have, okay? Then you wanna take your chicken and you wanna pretty much just get it in there. And you pretty much just wanna get it soaked in, okay? And you can do bone in, you can do boneless. Again, if you don't know how to make your own jerk seasoning, all you want to do is just buy one from the store, use an ounce of the jerk seasoning, ounce of the tomato juice, get it mixed in nice and good for aesthetics and for flavor. And the difference between a pineapple jerk and a regular jerk is with the pineapple jerk, you get the nice heat from the seasons from the jerk, but you got a little sweet kick to it too. So we're gonna mix that in. Yeah. Okay, and then we're pretty much just gonna.
Oh, you mixing the pineapple with it, jerk?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you pretty much got all your seasoning in, your pineapples in. What I do with this, I usually top it.
Oh,
slices of pepper, some onion, and a little flavor, of course.
Definitely.
It's got some dry parsley. We're gonna finish off. All right, so what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna take it, cover it down.
Yeah.
We're gonna pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Let that marinate.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Copy.
So we're gonna cover it down. All right. See you in about 30. So we're gonna check it out. We're setting it for 420. We're gonna pop this bad boy in here.
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Sucker's hot. Look at that.
Got mad smoke in the camera just now.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm ready for this shit right here, son.
Shout out to my bro, shout out to the chef, Chef Frank, for putting together such an amazing and spectacular dish. And running at a price point no more than $15, something for the family to enjoy, the kids to enjoy, or even something spicy you could have for your significant other for brunch or maybe even dinner. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel Chefing It Up for our daily notifications, and make sure you leave a comment for some feedback. Until next episode, take care. Peace.